Up first this evening, weeks after a series of gun attacks left families in Clarendon mourning, residents have another problem on their hands: robberies. There's now growing fear among residents and the business community in the parish capital, Maypen, after armed men stole millions of dollars in cash in 3 separate incidents in the township this week.
2 robberies, hours apart in Clarendon's parish capital, Maypen, are fueling fear among residents and business people that a well-organized robbery network is thriving in the town. In one incident on Friday afternoon, a man and his mother had just left the bank where they had withdrawn funds. The money they withdrew was savings left for the family by a deceased relative. But within minutes, it was all gone. The man and his mother drove to a mechanic a short distance from the bank when the mother was relieved of the bag of cash while she sat in the car. Her screams for help alerted her son, but the robbers had already made off on a motorcycle with the $1 million in cash. A day before, on Thursday, armed men robbed the Maypen PC Bank of sums estimated to be more than $3 million. Police reports are that 3 men went into the PC Bank around midday, posing as customers. They proceeded to rob the security guard of his gun. They then kicked off a door to a vault and took the $2.8 million that was inside. They also took an undetermined sum of cash from the cash registers. A customer was also robbed of his cell phone. The robbers then made off in a waiting motor car. The PC Bank has been closed since the incident, as police detectives are still conducting their investigations into the matter. No one was hurt in either incident. Residents and business people in Maypen say these are tough financial times, so they cannot afford for robbers to take away the little money they have. They are therefore asking the security forces and political directorate to address the situation before it gets worse.
We used to have petty robberies in and around the town. But when you start to rob a bank, then it's getting serious. And this is why we need to have more business people logging on to the Jamaica Eye program. Because we have a set of cameras in the town which is connected to the police station. But we need to have all our businesses in and around the town of Maypen linking up now to the Jamaica Eye program. So when an incident such as that happens, then the police will be able to go back and view and track and see who these people are.
Kodian Barrett, TVJ News.